Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. It's Sunday night, as I said. I'll come out and show you a bit of where the nightlife bars are. We're on Pattaya Road, which, as you know, I told you it was the main road through Hua Hin. And we are at Soi 80. Which is one of the nightlife Sois. It's all bars, both sides, right down to the other end. But where we're going tonight is Soi Bintabaht, which is a main bar area. This is just one Soi from here down. So, but lots of bars both sides all the way through. So let's go to Bintabaht. Okay, so this is Soi 80, as I just showed you, just said. We'll drive just down to the traffic lights. Coming up. And turning right at the lights. This is Soi 61. Turning left here. And just here on the left is Bintabaht. So we'll park the car up and we'll come down and have a look. Right, we've come past it to the Hilton Hotel, and you can park inside here for 150 baht. And just down here on the right is the Soi Bintabaht. This is your main Soi, and around a little way down Bintabaht you've got the Sois coming off the right here. They're all the same, and straight down through, down to the main road. It's brilliant, this one. So when you've come down from Bintabaht, you've come in, you've turned right, you've got another warren of roads and bars. Here's the best bit. The roads are very narrow. They're very narrow. And if you've got a wide truck, you may need to come down sideways. It's just happened as we was coming down. I have no idea what he was doing, racing down a little alleyway. He's hit a motorbike and flipped over. He's drunk. So, be careful. Roads are narrow. Your car's going to have to come down on each side. Unbelievable. But the roads here, Bintabaht, turn right, it's a warren of all little roads and bars all around. Very, very worth checking out and exploring down here. You might even get a bit of excitement with a truck. Who knows? We'll carry on walking round. Right, so We've come down this one from the truck on its side, and we come to another Soi. It really is warm round here. You've got to come and explore it. It's very good. So now we've come back out and we're back to Soi Bintabaht. It's literally a square with sois and bowls running off little alleyways. It's very good. Now the bowls here close at 1 AM. So afterwards, where do you go? I'll show you. It's the other end of Soi Bintabaht where we came in. We'll go down there. So we'll come out of Soi Bintabaht after 1 AM when they close, back to the Hilton Hotel there, and we'll turn right. Plenty of little tuk-tuk taxis here, and tuk-tuk, and all around take you back to where you want to go. Prime Steakhouse, very good steaks. Well, they're prime. Just here on the left, up the steps, through here is another warren of bars. Oh, let's find it, let's find it. And around here is the Polo Club, Hua Hin. This is a late night discotheque bar. So from 1 AM when they close Bintabaht, Soi Bintabaht, you can come round. This is open discotheque very late. And if you're hungry, opposite Nancy Bar. Restaurant here open till 3 AM. Drinks as well. So this is your nightlife area, Hua Hin. It's a large square of everything. So that's Soi Bintabaht, Central Hua Hin. The nightlife, bars, clubs, restaurants, music. It's all there, and there's warrens. It's like a rabbit run all the way round it. Good little bars. Sorry I couldn't show you more of them, but it gives you an idea, and it's well worth, more than worth, exploring it all round here overnight. That's your job, exploring. That's what it's all about. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed it. Just giving you insight, nightlife, where to go in Hua Hin. I know I've been saying Hua Hin, Hua Hin. At least I didn't say Hua Hin, there's no W in it. So, thank you very much for watching. Give it a like, a thumbs up, a share. Up to you, up to you. Subscribe if you'd like to. Again, up to you. There is more coming, and we'll see you soon. Thanks a lot, bye bye.